Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Today we will learn about Mahatma Gandhi. Let's start the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is revered as the father of the Indian nation. He was a great leader in the Indian independence movement against British rule. Gandhi's life, principles, and non-violent struggle for freedom have left an indelible mark on the world. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He hailed from a devout Hindu family. Gandhi's early education was in Porbandar and later in Rajkot. He displayed no exceptional traits in his youth, but his life took a transformative turn when he left for London in 1888 to study law. This marked the beginning of his exposure to Western thought and values. Gandhi's life in South Africa from 1893 to 1914 played a pivotal role in shaping his principles of nonviolence and civil disobedience. It was here that he first encountered racial discrimination against Indians, which spurred his activism. He started as a lawyer but soon became involved in the struggle for the rights of Indians in South Africa. One of his most significant experiences in South Africa was the 1893 incident in which he was thrown off a train for refusing to leave a whites-only compartment. This event led to his development of Satyagraha, a philosophy of non-violent resistance. Gandhi's principles of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth, love, and non-violence in achieving social and political change. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India, and his transformation into a leader of the Indian independence movement began in earnest. He advocated for passive resistance, civil disobedience, and non-cooperation as the means to achieve self-rule. Gandhi's first major campaign in India was the Champaran agitation in 1917, where he championed the cause of indigo plantation farmer. This act galvanized the nation and marked a turning point in the struggle for independence. Gandhi's commitment to nonviolence, or ahimsa, was the cornerstone of his philosophy. He believed that nonviolence was not a sign of weakness but the ultimate strength of a society. It was a powerful tool for resistance that could transform individuals and societies. His adherence to nonviolence inspired countless others, including Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. Gandhi's path was obstacles. He faced opposition and imprisonment numerous times during his life. His willingness to endure suffering for the cause of independence garnered him immense respect and support from the Indian masses. His imprisonment, including the long spells in Yerwada jail in Pune, became platforms for furthering his ideas and principles. The year 1947 marked India's independence from British rule, but it also brought the painful partition of the country into India and Pakistan. Gandhi was deeply pained by the communal violence and the loss of lives during this period. He undertook several fasts unto death to promote peace and communal harmony. His commitment to unity and religious tolerance remained unwavering. The life of Mahatma Gandhi was tragically cut short when he was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse, a Hindu nationalist who disagreed with Gandhi's views on nonviolence and communal harmony. Gandhi's death was a profound loss to India and the world. Gandhi's legacy is immense and enduring. He left behind a legacy of nonviolent resistance that continues to inspire movements for civil rights, social justice, and peace worldwide. His philosophy of ahimsa and satyagraha remains relevant in today's world, where conflicts persist and the search for peaceful solutions is ever crucial. Friend, how did you like our video? Please tell us in the comments and like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, you can also give it in the comments.